Hello students, welcome back to our channel Raj Ocean of Knowledge. Knowledge for everyone. Before watching the video, like, share, comment and subscribe so you never miss any update from our channel. So let's get started with our today's video.
This video is part 1 of our series English for Beginners, where I teach you English from scratch. And we will work our way up categorically in English language. Today, we will learn about how words starting with different alphabet can be used in sentences. A. A for apple. Apple is spelled as A P P L E. Let's see how the word apple can be used in a sentence. Rohan eats an apple every day. Let's move to the next alphabet. B. B for ball. Ball is spelled as B A L L. Let's see how the word ball is used in a sentence. Krishna has a cricket ball. Let's move to the next alphabet. C. C for cat. Cat is spelled as C-A-T. Let's see how the word cat can be used in a sentence. The cat is drinking milk. Let's move to the next alphabet. D. D for dog. Dog is spelled as D-O-G. Let's see how the word dog can be used in a sentence. The dogs are barking. Let's move to the next alphabet. E. E for eagle. Eagle is spelled as E A G L E. Let's see how the word eagle can be used in a sentence. The eagle is flying. Let's move to the next alphabet. F. F for frog. Frog is spelled as F-R-O-G. Let's see how the word frog can be used in a sentence. The frog is jumping. Let's move to the next alphabet. G. G for goat. Goat is spelled as G-O-A-T. Let's see how the word goat can be used in a sentence. I have a white goat.
That's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to make videos about. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.